Once I decided to switch into this major, I found I fit, I found a place where I belong, people I relate to and enjoy spending time with, and something I enjoy studying and working on. And that really changed, really improved my connection with God, because I feel like He knows me and He knows my personality and everything about me. He wants me to succeed. And so I feel like He led me in a path where I was able to find something that fits. This major allows me to learn a lot more about kind of how the world works and how plants grow and how things get built out in the real world, how things are planned as well in communities. And it really gives me an appreciation for people who put all that time and effort to get those things done, and also motivates me to work hard and to become one of those people that provides other people with a great place to be outside, with a great landscape to be around.
So on my mission, I actually met someone who graduated from this program. She really did just sell me on it. Just since coming back from my mission, I feel like it was such a blessing that I just kind of stumbled into it. I never would have gotten here if it weren't for my mission and for just the little things that God has planted in my life to get me here. And it's been so cool this week as NCLC is going on that I've been able to feel those confirmations daily. It's been really cool to find people who have common ground. The connection of God to the earth and His creations is the same with us as His children. He takes care of us, you know? The most minute things in the earth are related to God and His love for us. And it's been incredible to see that.
I remembered in high school, we'd had a class about sustainable landscapes. I thought that was super cool. And then a talk in one of the general conferences a few Octobers ago was about sustainability over the earth. I thought that was super cool. So I was looking more into that. I started it last semester actually, and I've loved it ever since. It's been awesome. It's been a huge testimony builder to see how everything connects and how it all works together to be better for us, and it's all made for us. So it's up to us to take care of it, to keep it going. I've definitely learned patience. Plants take a long time to grow. Things take a long time to be installed and to look how they're supposed to. And then just how there's a plan for everything. Kind of like other Christoffersons talk about the gardener. I'm the gardener here. I'm in a trees class right now where we go out pruning, and I'm just thinking about that talk every time. I'm the gardener here. I know what I want you to be. Sorry I'm chopping you down, but this is for your good. So I love that.
So kind of random. I love math. I love problem solving. And I started out studying mathematics, but I thought I would go on to architecture school. And I just didn't really understand that I could be an architect outside. In my opinion, being a landscape designer is just solving problems and helping people at the same time. I think that God is the perfect designer, and it's really inspiring for me to go out into nature and see how it's been designed for us. And when I design, I try to channel that. I pray for the people I'm designing. I try to find something that will help them connect with nature and connect with their families. And I think that connection and building those spaces and those relationships really teaches me how God loves the earth and how God loves His people. There's a lot in our major that doesn't come very naturally to me. And as I've been able to study and find help through the people around me, I've learned that I don't have to be perfect, but as long as I'm trying to give my best effort, as long as I'm trying to connect with the people around me, collaborate with them, then we really can all work together and work with God to find a solution.